Okay, we've got prove it. Prove that the difference between the squares of any two odd consecutive numbers is a multiple of 8. It's an algebraically type of question, and that means we need to make up some numbers. We need to imagine some consecutive odd numbers. Now, what are they going to look like? Well, in these sorts of questions, you might have odd numbers, you might have even numbers, you might just have whole numbers. The whole numbers are easy. They're just n plus 1, etc. But then the even numbers, they're going to be 2n, or maybe consecutive 2n plus 2, and then the next one 2n plus 4. And that makes the odd numbers 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3. So we're using those two consecutive odd numbers. It'll work if you have something else, for example, 2n minus 1 and 2n plus 1. Let's square them and see what the difference is. 2n plus 3 squared minus 2n plus 1 squared. So that's going to give me 4n squared plus 12n plus 9 minus, put it in a big bracket here, keep the minus outside, that's 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. Now I get 4n squared minus 4n squared, which cancels. The 12n minus the 4n gives me 8n, and the 9 minus the 1 gives me 8. So I have 8n plus 8, and that could be expressed, I suppose, as 8 times n plus 1. So it's 8 times a whole number, which means that it is a multiple of 8.